We are Al-Qatala.
We are the killers. We fight without sorrow. We wage war without sympathy. This is the only way to live and die a true soldier.
Echo 3-1 to Charlie 2 actual.
Go for actual.
LZ is in sight.
Looks like our boys are right on time, Colonel.
Roger 3-1. Hitman teams are locked and loaded for assault. You are green to go.
Colonel, we may have a problem.
Too late, Laswell. We're live.
Not until I say so. Watcher to 3-1, how copy?
Station Chief Laswell, send traffic.
General Barkov has sent a new shipment of chlorine gas to his depot. But his mercs are prepping to move the chems into Urzikstan via convoy tonight. You're still clear to engage, but live fire on Russian military is prohibited. We cannot have an international incident.
No guarantees Russian Army won't respond on this case.
Understood, Alice. Just locate the gas, come into your Barkov's truck, and get off the exit before the tide turns.
Copy, Watcher. We'll handle it. Let's move.
All Hitman teams push to your set point.
Roger,
We need to keep this on a tight loop. Barkov's men are moving the gas tonight.
Hey, what are the odds we run into General Barkov?
Russian general wouldn't be caught dead out here. Psst, heads up.
Сюда, наверх! Я слышал! За гребнем!
Hearing two.
Looking for us. 2 mercs, no uniforms.
Down.
We're clear. Copy. Post up on the ridge and let's get the lay of the land.
Echo 3-1 to Blue Viking 5. Call for fire. Stand by for target confirmation.
Copy, 3-1. Viking is standing by.
Let's recce the area and make sure there's no Russian army down there.
One in the tower. Left side high, not army.
Copy. Checkpoint, that's the entry. Vehicles on the move. Check the railway.
Movement in the rail yard.
That's how the gas comes in. No Russian military presence. Call it in, CIA.
Blue Viking 5, this is Echo 3-1. Troops in the open, south gate. You are cleared hot.
Roger, 3-1. Target acquired. Weapons free in 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
Echo 3-1. Good effect on target. Viking is RTB. Good hunting.
Much obliged, Viking. We'll take it from here.
Heads up. Multiple guns on foot. Hold off. Let him approach.
Найдите их и убейте, иначе генерал убьет нас. Рассредоточиться, если что, увидите стрелять.
Clear. Force up.
Say, he's quick on that drop. Looks like someone was playing with fire.
Serves him right, hawking this chemical shit. огонь! Я пытаюсь!
Got enemies inside.
Coming your way, Echo.
Они пожары тушил!
We want
Стоп,
to
тебе никто не заплатит!
Element of surprise is not on our side, boys. Stay frosty. Stay sharp. We're blind on this breach.
Contact! Man down!
Got an empty nest on that second deck.
He's dug in! Lay suppression to get up there! Down! Press that MG and push up! Good suppression! Flank up and take him out!
Force out. We need to secure the gas before they move it.
Movement! Got a visual! Let's move! Got it! Enemy northwest! Right! Down! Got him out of line! What's the game point? Victual! Contact! Man down!
Got an empty nest on that second deck.
He's dug in! Lay suppression to get up there! Use door frame and master gun and stay in cover, Echo! Good suppression! Flank up and take him out!
Force out. We need to secure the gas before they move it.
You're exposed! I need another fucking gun net! Иди к черту! They went to the barrier! Got a target! Get lit on that gun! Run! Иди к черту! I got one! What do you need now? Run! I see him! They're moving! Got a visual! I need cover! Roger that! Enemy by the building! Got a visual! Противнику есть! Don't tell me to move now! Got a runner! Enemy in the window! Got a turret! Get moving!
MG down!
Nicely done, CIA! Got a guy back! Быстро! Got runners! Target down! Got one! Bring down! Yeah, I see him! Clear!
Gas must be inside.
Unless we're too late.
Clear! Clear! Clear!
Chems may be inside. Masks up. Let's do this. What?
They killed the power.
Go white light.
It's pitch black in here. You hear that? They killed the powers in here. Shit! You see that?
Find him. Contact! He's down!
Got him!
Movement on the catwalk! Got one moving to the south! We lost him, he moved!
All clear. Let's get the power up. Shed some light, find this gas.
Roger, 3-1.
Looking. On it. Checking for power.
Door needs power.
Find the power, locate the gas, and let's hit the road.
Lights coming on.
Power's up.
Hey! We got a problem. These guys are Russian army.
Spetsnaz.
3-1 Watcher. Barkov's hired guns or Spetsnaz. We got Russian army KIA. We need to bug out now.
Negative. Command wants mission accomplished on this. Not our choice.
Never is. 3-1 out.
Verify this is what we came for. We'll set the trucks for egress.
Raj. Jackpot. PID in the gas.
Solid copy, 3-1. Load up and get back to base.
Roger that. Let's move out. Take shotgun. All stations, we are Oscar Mike to the RV. Watch your sectors.
Good work, Alex. Rally at the hook point for egress. Watcher to 3-1, how copy? Alex to read, over.
I got you, 3-1. Shit. Who the fuck is this?
Sidi, Nafra. Mano Rusi. Marines. Amitan. Lazim nitarak. Barak. Barak. Yalla! Yalla! Yalla!
Echo 3-1 to Watcher.
Alex, what happened?
Terrorist attack. Multiple Marines KIA. Gas stolen. We need evac now.
Roger. Tracking multiple Russian forces headed your way. Sit tight. We're pushing to you for fast exfil. Watcher out.
This operation is now compartmentalized.
What the hell does that mean?
Means you no longer have clearance, Colonel.
Those are my Marines. We need a QRF in there right now.
That's not advisable.
And that is not your call.
Colonel Laswell.
General, my men...
Norris, give us a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
We've got a situation. The Kremlin has suspended all deconfliction channels. The Sixth Fleet is pushing into the Black Sea, and chemical weapons are now in the wild. Your fingerprints are all over this, Laswell. Fix it.
General, right now intelligence is our best weapon.
We've tried intelligence. Get me a better weapon.
John,
Laswell.
where are you?
Occupied.
I've got a problem.
Russians?
Word travels fast. Chemical weapons have fallen into terrorist hands. They could be anywhere. Paris, New York.
London.
When can you brief?
We just did.
Sergeant Garrett, roger up.
Go for Garrett.
Terror threat level is now critical. Possible multiple attacks. Bombers or something worse.
Do we have snipers in position?
Negative, Sergeant. Can't unduly alarm the public.
Terrorists know that too, sir.
Garrick, don't turn London into a war zone, clear?
Yeah, Crystal. Out.
Looks like we're on our own, lads.
We'll handle it. Let's get it done, yeah?
Hey, firm.
Sergeant. Heads up. White van.
Weapons in view.
That's them. Saber to Raven. White van, multiple military-age males. Weapons visible. Moving to intercept.
Roger. Unless an attack is imminent, do not engage.
White van, left side. Go, go!
They're here, brothers! They're here!
Come here!
Go!
Don't fucking move!
Police, freeze! Get your hands up now!
Get down on the ground! Right now! Not gonna tell you again!
There's been a detonation at Piccadilly Circus. Shots fired, officers down. We need medical down here now.
Fucking hell, Carter. They did your home.
They're not done yet. Let's move.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Which way, fine? Get out of there now! Moving up! Make control! Make control! Piccadilly Circus! Urgent assistance required at Piccadilly Circus! Follow me! Left or right, sir? Government has brought nothing but justice! We need to get out of here now!
Just stay down. Yeah, get these people safe.
Yes, sir! Officers down! Get an engine! Now! The fire rockets on the roof of the Turnpike building! Breaking up! We've killed you! Shoot up! Get out of here! All units, attack is underway at Piccadilly Circus. Multiple IC-1 shooters on site.
This is Saber 2. Bookshop secure.
All units, check fire! Check fire! All units, suspect calling in the Tanto building. There's a possible hostage situation. Hold and the door is up. You shot a civilian! 2-6, Army assault team has been deployed. No ETA at this time. All units, check fire! Check fire! All units, suspect calling in the Tanto building. There's a possible hostage situation. Hold and the door is up.
Raven, this is Saber 2.
2-6, Army assault team has been deployed. No ETA at this time.
Let's move.
Secondary detonation in the cabin.
Are you good?
All units, urgent assistance, shots fired. Possible casualty. Police force suspect placing 1 or 2. Oh God. In the vicinity. The hookup in the Tanto building. Secondary detonation. Bomb there. Right, There's pieces everywhere.
Raven, Saber 2, office. Blue! Blue!
I see you. You armed up?
Yes, sir.
Captain Price.
Sergeant Garrick.
You with me? Check those corners.
Help us!
Hostages, up top.
Up here! We need help up here! Get it off me! Please, get it off me!
Sergeant, I need you over here.
Help me! Help me, I'm not one of them! I don't want to die. I want to go home.
Look, open!
I want to see my family. I want to see...
Can you help him?
I'm trying.
Let me see my girl!
It's going off.
I can't get it.
No time!
Help me! Help me! Wait! What are you doing? No!
We're gonna get you out of here. You broken?
I'm good.
Let's go. You saved lives today, Sergeant.
It shouldn't have happened in the first place, sir. They sent us in half-assed. So everyone could just keep pretending we're not at war.
Yeah, like the fucking century, that is.
Why have we got our hands tied? Let's just take the bloody gloves off and fight. Sir.
Go on.
We don't stand a chance in hell with these rules of engagement, Captain. They can tell us where, they can tell us when. Don't tell us how. My men were tracking that cell for weeks.
You had actual intel on this?
Quite a bit, sir.
Okay, Garrett. You're with me.
Al-Qatala's claiming responsibility.
Oh, orders from the Wolf in Urzikstan.
Alex is on the ground there looking for the stolen chems.
Well, he'll need the Liberation Force on his side, so have him contact the CO.
You know Commander Karim?
We're acquainted. Use my name, or they'll kill him.
What is your message from Captain Price?
Commander Karim. Call me Alex.
I'm listening, Alex.
This is classified.
يلا ولد دامي جهزوا لي هالكم.
"48 hours ago, terrorists stole a shipment of Russian gas.
Only Al-Qatala would do this.
The Russians make no distinction between Al-Qatala and your people.
And I make no distinction between Al-Qatala and the Russian army. They're both terrorists. We would never use these poisons.
Then help us track it before they...
Before they what? Take it to Europe? Or America? We live like this every day.
Commander, it's time to go. Who is this?
Alex, this is my brother and Lieutenant Hadir.
You are CIA?
He works with Captain Price.
Then you kill Russians, yes?
I have friends who can help us. But your sister decides what's next.
Of course. My sister is in command. And the Russian army is still here.
This occupation must end. That we can all agree on, yes? General Barkov's men control the city. We have plans to change that.
We have no missiles, but we have our ways.
If you stay, we can help you. But if you stay, you fight.
Yelanato.
Marhaba Ali Urzikstan, Alex.
Follow me. These tunnels are our lifeline.